class. Today we are going to find the solutions of intermediate second year maths A first chapter complex numbers. From this chapter you can get 2 plus 2 plus 4 marks, total 8 marks in your annual exams. So practice more here, and we are going to find the solutions of today first A. So exercise first A we find the solutions. So before starting to this exercise, we learn some important like basic points of this, what is complex numbers, and addition of complex numbers, multiplication of complex numbers. We'll do that things. So first we'll do some important points. After that we go for the exercise. So start with the some basic points here. Okay. So complex number. So what is complex number? So a complex number is an ordered, okay, ordered, in the textbook it is will given order pair of real numbers. So like a comma b, like this. So the set of all complex numbers is denoted by C is equal to a comma b here, such that a belongs to capital R and b belongs to capital R. So R means real number set here. So it is complex number is an ordered pair of real number a comma b. The set of all the complex number is denoted by the C. So this one. Now move to the equality of complex numbers. So what is equality of complex numbers? So two complex numbers z1 is equal to a comma b and z2 is equal to c comma d. So these numbers are said to be equal where if a is equal to c and b is equal to d. So in this case the complex numbers are equal here. So equality of complex numbers, this one. Addition of complex numbers. Here z1 is equal to a comma b and z2 is equal to c comma d here. So if we have to addition these complex numbers, so z1 plus z2 is equal to, so a comma b plus c comma d, we can write it as a plus c comma b plus d. So in this form, so it will become addition of complex numbers, and we can write other in other way also. Z1 is equal to a1 comma b1 and z2 is equal to we can write it as a2 comma I b2. So it will become also z1 plus z2 is equal to a1 plus a2 comma no sorry plus a because we are adding, no, so I b1 plus b2 here. So this is addition of the complex numbers. So first one a comma I b1 and z2 a2 comma I b2. So this is, you can write like this also. So now move to the multiplication of complex numbers. So here multiplication of complex numbers is if z1 is equal to a comma b and z2 is equal to c comma d. So here, so then we define their product by like z1 into z2 is equal to a comma b into c comma d here. So from this we can write it as ac minus bd. So this ac minus bd. So after that bc minus ad ad plus here bc, we can write it as like this. So ac minus bd, after that ad plus bc. So this is a product of z1 and z2 here. So now move to the next one. So here difference of complex numbers means difference. So here we'll take this one only. So here a minus c comma b minus d, this is difference. So here negative of complex number is, so a like a complex number, we think that a comma b. So negative of this one minus z is equal to minus a comma b. So this is a negative of the complex number. We can write it as minus a comma minus b is equal to minus z is equal to. So now these are the basic some important points we have to learn before the going to find the solutions of the exercise. So now move to the exercise 1a. So it is important exercise. So in this exercise 1a, so this is 1a, so there are first bit and second bit are there. So these two bits we are find the solutions now today. So in this video, so start with the first bit here. Now first question is given, if z1 is equal to 2 comma minus 1 and z2 is equal to 6 comma 3. So find the z1 minus z2. So he asking us to find the z1 minus z2, means subtraction here. Solution, here z1 is equal to 2 comma minus 1 and z2 is equal to 6 comma 3 here. So now we can write it as like this. So z1 is equal to 2 comma minus 1, we can write it as 2 comma 2 minus I, we can write it as, and z2 we can write it as 6 comma 3, we can write it as 6 plus 3I here, we can write it like this. So z1 minus z2, no, z1 minus z2 here is equal to 2 minus I of minus of 6 plus 3I here. So it will become 2 minus I minus 6 here minus into plus minus 3I. So here 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4 and minus 4I here. So the answer is minus 4 comma minus 4. So this is z1 minus z2 is equal to. So here we can write like this also, z1 minus so z1 2 comma minus 1 and z2 6 comma 3 is there na. So from this we can write 2 minus 6 and minus 1 minus 3. So it will become minus 4 comma minus 4 also. So why I am doing like this, it is a complex number, no, so that's why I am representing in the complex formula, complex form. So I is a complex number like this complex form. So that's why I am taking as I and I am doing the solution now like this. Now move to the second one here. Now second one solution here. If z1 is equal to 3 comma 5 and z2 is equal to 2 comma 6, find the z1 into z2. So z1 is equal to how much here, 3 comma 5, and z2 we can write it as 3 plus 5I, and z2 we can write z2 2 comma 6, we can write it as 2 plus 6I. So here z1 into z2, so it is in the complex form, 3 plus 5I into 2 plus 6I. So we can write directly also what like that, z1 into z2 is equal to, so I told you one formula there, no, so which one, so this one, like here I told you, no, AC minus BD comma AD plus BC, this formula we can use there and we can do here AC minus BD comma AD plus BC. So this formula we can do, we'll get the same answer, and we if you use the complexity of this given points, so then we will also same answers. So now z1 into z2 is equal to 3 2 ja 6 and 3 6 ja 18I. So 5 2 ja 10I, 5 6 ja plus 30I. So I into I square here. So it will become 6 plus 18I plus 10I, 28I. So I square we can write as minus 1. So minus 1 means minus 30. So it will become 6 minus 30 minus 24. So plus 28I. So answer will become minus 24 comma 28 of z1 into z2. So now we look for this also. So z1 into z2. Here A into AC. So this A and C. Here 3 into 2 minus B into D. So B into D. So 5 into 6 comma AD. A into D means 3 into 6 plus 5 into BC, no, BC 5 into 2. So here 3 2 ja 6 minus 5 6 ja 30 comma 3 6 ja 18 plus 5 2 ja 10. So it will become also minus 24 comma how much, 28. So some college say like this, some college say like this. Please concentration on this one. So do while how you college says in that form. So maximum this form is very important in your annual exam. If you want to get more marks, if you do in this form, so you will get more marks.